So today, we're going to transfer our beautiful Platinum Blue Koi Guppies to a bigger tub because we only placed them here temporarily. But before that, let's first transfer our Platinum Dumbo Ear Red Tail Guppies to our aquarium because this is where we're going to put our Blue Koi Guppies. These fish have already had their second batch of fry, so we only need one more batch before we stop breeding them. So, let's carefully put them here. After that, let's clean this tub by removing the fish waste and algae, adding some fresh water, and setting up our DIY breeding cage. This way, when the guppies give birth, the fry can swim away from the adult fish and have a better chance of avoiding being eaten. And that's it. We're all done. And because our beautiful mosaic aquatic plants here are taking up so much space and blocking sunlight from reaching the aquatic plants below, we're going to trim them again. This will also give us more space to properly arrange our different aquatic plants here. We'll use our set of aquarium planting tools, or aquascaping tools, to make trimming and replanting our mosaic aquatic plants much easier. Let's start by trimming them using our straight scissors. This time, we're going to trim them shorter because we've noticed that they grow quite fast, so giving them a shorter trim shouldn't be a problem. Let's also make sure that we trim them to roughly the same length so they look neat and organized. After that, we'll use our straight tweezers to easily replant these beautiful mosaic aquatic plants. And yes, for those who are asking, we personally recommend having a good set of planting or aquascaping tools, especially if you have a planted tub setup like ours. These tools make maintaining a beautiful planted tub much easier and faster, whether you're trimming plants, replanting them, or doing other aquascaping maintenance. Since we've already added fertilizer to this setup, there's no need for us to add more for now. We'll just leave it as it is and monitor the plants over the next few days. We'll give you another update soon. So here's the latest update on our mosaic aquatic plants that we trimmed and replanted 4 days ago. As you can see, their leaves have already settled nicely on the water's surface. This aquatic plant can grow very quickly under the right conditions, especially when it gets enough sunlight. We also noticed lots of baby mosaic plants sprouting again. We'll just let them grow a little bigger before we trim and replant them again. We also decided to add another beautiful molly strain to this planted tub to make it even more beautiful. Since the water temperature was already the same, we were able to add them directly into the tub. And I think they're happy in their new, bigger, and more beautiful home. Now, let's feed them some freeze-dried Tubifex. After that, let's also collect some pond snails to help with the algae in this tub. And we'll add some assassin snails to help control their population, since pond snails can multiply very quickly. We do this to help maintain a balance in our planted tub. We've been doing this for a long time, and we found it effective for helping us manage algae and maintain a healthy looking planted tub. And as always, happy fish keeping!